Hey guys, what's going on? Going back to the farm for morning 2 of rifle season. Yesterday was a bust as far as getting to shoot any bucks. That's the way our rifle season goes here in Northwest PA. Bucks are legal for the first 2 weeks. You cannot shoot a doe until the first Saturday, so it's a week only a buck, and then doe comes in. We did get to see a bear up close and personal a couple times yesterday. At least one flat top. I'm not sure what the other 3 deer were. I didn't even put any of those on camera because they were so far out and you couldn't see them. But hopefully today we'll get a little more up close and personal and maybe get a shot on camera. The Gecko Pod is what I use to mount the phone onto the gun, and it works pretty cool. I thought the video of the bear turned out pretty cool. You could kind of see the barrel of the rifle sticking out there at times, so that was pretty neat. Blue 2.0 had to go back to school today, so he's not with me, so it's just going to be me solo with the guys at the farm, and hopefully we bag a buck. So we'll catch you guys later. Alright, so far it is day 2 of rifle season. Just got to the place where I'm going to stand for the deer drive. Kicked one out on my way in. So far today there's 11 all flat tops. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to go from there. Give you a quick panorama. And just before I check out of here, the device that I have on the end of my barrel, I actually have my cell phone attached to it. It's called a Gecko Pod. I'm going to do a review on that later because I'm loving it. Alright, later. Alright guys, it's going to be the last sit down for day 2. Just got up to the stand, so we'll talk a little bit. This is going to be my final view for the day. So the final tally as of now is 14 deer. Most of them were doe, at least 9 for sure, maybe 10. But this is going to be it for the day. Just real quick, this is the Savage 243, and this is that Gecko Pod I was talking about. Just wraps the legs up around the barrel, and it just slides in the black piece here, but we'll do a video on that later. But it works pretty good so far. I just want to see how it reacts if a shot goes off, so I'm going to shut up and hopefully we can do that here in a couple minutes. Alright, later. Where's my radio? A 6.
Blue, you're my boy!